kanilang kasal. Sa aking one-on-one interview with the singer-songwriter, ikunento ng bagong kasal ang mga kaganapan at saloobin niya matapos ang kanilang engranding kasal ni Regine Velasquez noong December 22, 2010.
Mga taga-SC, kasama ko na ngayon, the songwriter and the newlywed, Mr. Augie Alcacid. Good afternoon kay Augie.
Good afternoon, Raymond. And sa lahat sa inyo, mga kapuso, good afternoon.
How were you after the wedding? How are you and Miss Regine? I mean, meron bang adjustment period or more of the same?
Alam mo, it's really more of the same, but better. Kasi iba yung nanumpa ka sa harap ng Panginoon, di ba? And then at the same time, you have a civil status as a married couple. It's really different. We can't be happier. Talagang kaming dalawa, every moment has been really, really wonderful. I guess we're still honeymooning at this stage.
So let's talk more about your Bohol trip. Is this where you spent Christmas and New Year?
Hindi. We spent, after Christmas, 26 to 28, short trip lang. Kasi gusto ko makita ng mga anak ko, hindi lang Maynila, no? Gusto ko makita nila yung iba-ibang parte ng Pilipinas.
Kasama dito si Michelle.
Of course. And her husband, Mark. So, but si Mark, being Irish, you know, he's never been to this part of the world. So, sabi nga niya, ang mga Pilipino daw, likas na mamabait talaga. Sabi niya, one of the best people in the world that he's met, sabi niya.
Now, we saw your wedding coverage and talagang the who's who in society, business, politics, showbiz, lahat nandun na yata sa wedding ninyo. I want to know, I'm curious, what was the pinakabonggang wedding gift na natanggap ni Augie and Regine from all these guests?
Yung wedding gifts namin, we made sure na nakalagay sa invitations kasi hindi kami tatanggap ng wedding gifts. Instead, we would like to receive donations to our yung mga benefit, yung mga tinutulungan namin na charitable institutions, Operation Smile, Bridges, Cure, Gawad Kalinga, Child Hope Asia. So we were able to collect more than 1 million pesos.
Wow, worth for all the charities.
Yeah, worth of money. We look at it as a blessing, and we wanted to be a blessing to others also. So that's why we thought of having these charitable institutions as our main beneficiary of our wedding.
After the holidays, Michelle and the kids went back to Australia.
Yes.
We heard na naging emotional daw si Michelle sa airport.
Well, actually,
How were the goodbyes?
very sad. Always naman. But you know, you have to look at it as we function as a family. So pag ang isa aalis, like pag kami umuwi kami sa Pilipinas galing Australia, it's always very emotional. Ngayon na siyempre sila naman ang aalis, kami yung hirap.
Yeah.
Laging mahirap pag ikaw yung maiiwan kasi mismo talaga yung aalis. Pero we just look forward to the next time that we're going to see them, which is siguro Easter.
Yes.
Baka pumunta kami dun sa Easter.
Let's talk about honeymoon. May plano raw kayong magbakasyon sa Italy.
Yeah, there is a place in Italy called Positano. This is where they shot the talented Mr. Ripley. If God willing, you know, Regine does not get pregnant till say March or April, siguro dun muna kami mag-honeymoon. Yeah.
So the pregnancy is parang more priority for you guys to have kids right away.
If you ask me, yes. I think we're on the same page naman, but kaya lang Regine has to finish her soap opera with Ding Dong.
Yes.
I Heart You Pare. And gano'n naman talaga, she might have to rest for a while after that.
What are your plans for the Valentine's Day?
Well, Feb 12, I have a concert produced by your mother with Pops Fernandez, and Regine will be a guest, of course. This is our second concert together with Pops, and this is probably my 4th concert with your mom. This is my first concert after I got married. It's exciting. Mga kapuso, Feb 12 at the Crown Plaza. It's called I Valentine You. This is my concert with Miss Pops Fernandez with guest Miss Regine Velasquez, directed by Al Quinn. And this is also, the musical direction is by Ryan Kebiak. Of course, produced by royal era
Yes.
production.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Joey,
Raymond.
and I wish you the best of luck with all your
Salamat.
plans this year. And I'll see you in Party Pilipinas.
Okay.
Thank you, and thank you to Thai Fan Restaurant.